Hi, Allison River Sampson here, coming at you from my veganic garden. And I wanted to share with you something that happened this morning. On my way to taking Olivia to school, I remembered this little tip that I love. Every time I get to a stop sign or a red light, I stop completely, which living in California is a feat, if you've ever heard of a California stop. And I take a breath in and out completely, like this. And then I go, as long as the light's green, of course. If I have a chance to have more of those breaths, if it's a red light, then I'll take as many as I can. And that just really brings the stress down and helps me feel a lot calmer. Try it. See you next time.